Good day, everybody. This is BB Venture. I'm here to train you on how to design your web fascinator art. You need your gum, the nets that you have mowed. You need your rose, your art cup fascinator, your plier to cut your wire, your gum machine and your wax candle, your blade and your scissors. Let's start. In the step 1, I train you on how to mold it. Stiffener, dry and remove. I've removed it. Look at it. I've removed it. When you remove it, it will give you a shape, round shape where you are going to fix your wire. Then you measure 0.5 from inside to outside. That little space is what you are going to use to cover the wire. Then you trim the remaining off. Cut it round as I'm doing it. You can see I've cut the net round. Then this is a wire. You place it in the middle. Make sure that your wire size the middle. If it's not, you have to cut it again and fix it. Then take your gum. You put it around the net, and gum it. Some people can use net to cover the wire before you fix it. Why? You might decide not to wrap it with any net or cloth before you cover it. Then put your gum on your net like this. Put your gum and put it on the wire, small on the wire, then gum it. Gum it. You do it round. As you are gumming it, allow it to dry very well. I've gummed the wire around the net. The next thing is to take your blade Then take your fascinator cup, place it on it. Then cut, we are going to cut the center. Let's do that. Please cut gently round. If you can use scissors, use scissors to cut it, but if you cannot, use blade. Cut it round, circle. You can see. Then take it and cut it at the edge, small. Don't let it be too big, like you want to make hearts. You want to fix the head of the heart. Cut it small, small with your scissors. You can see it. The reason why I cut it so that I can gum this edge inside the cup. Take your gum, put gum around your fascinator cup that you are going to use as head. Put gum around. You can see it. Then place it and gum it. So I've gummed the fascinator cup with the net. Then the next thing is to design. I'm going to create a band with my bias round it. You can use your satin material to create a band with the same color. You can use your rose. You can use any accessory to make your band. You can use trim to make your band. Now I'm going to use my trim. Put it round, trim round. is the band. You can put your own band. Then take your rose. You have fixed your rose on it. Then you can take your bias to wrap the wire and the net together round. Fix your Alice band with your wax candle.